Good morning, friends. From Sambed School, I welcome all of you. Yesterday, we have done electronic configuration till neon, and I have given homeworks to you. Some student still not send me homework, so I request you to be continue with homework and to be continue with lecture, so that you can properly understand the topic. And if you do homework, then after you will get confidence. So kindly do homework and be prepared for next lecture. Your excitement will take you to your target. So when lecture is starting, your excitement must require. So now we are going to continue electronic configuration from neon to calcium. So kindly concentrate on my video lecture and listen to me. So now we are having the sequence of electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 means 3px2, 3py2 and 3pz2. You can sum the power of place electron, that 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 6, 18. So we will fill 18 electrons till 18 atom number are gone. Then after we will continue to calcium. So we are having last electronic configuration for neon, Ne, number of electron 10 electron, and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2px2, 2py2 and 2pz2. It means it is 2p6. So we can fill electronic configuration like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2 and 2pz2. So we have filled electronic configuration till 2p6. Now turn will come for 3s2. So when we are writing electronic configuration of sodium, we have filled electron till 2p6, and turn will come 3s1, then 3s2, then 3px1, then 3py1, then 3pz1, then again 3px2, 3py2, 3pz2, like that way. Kindly try to understand. So now we are having the electronic configuration of sodium. Sodium is Na, electron total is 11 electron. So we will continue to write down this electronic configuration till 2pz, till 2p6. And if we don't want to continue all this electronic configuration, we can write down neon in square bracket. It means we have written electronic configuration till 2p6. Need not to start from 1s2. You are writing neon in bracket. It means you have done electronic configuration till neon. Now turn will come for 3s, and total 10 electron in neon we have filled. So now we have to fill sodium having 11 electrons, so we have to fill only 1 electron. It means it is 3s1. So we can show like this. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. Direct write down neon. It means you have written electronic configuration till 2p6. Now turn will come for 3s, and 3s having 2 electron, we need only 1 electron for to complete 11 electrons. So we have written 3s1, and to show 3s1 electron, we have done electron in circle. Clear? Very easy. Now for magnesium, magnesium is having 12 electron, so we have writing neon in bracket. It means we have done electronic configuration till 10 electron till neon, and we are need 2 electron, and starting from the 3s2, so we are writing over here 3s2 means 10 plus 2 12 electron. So this is the electronic configuration of magnesium. Need not to write 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2. Directly you can write down neon and then 3s2. Clear? Now we can easily understand electronic configuration for aluminium. Aluminium having 13 electron. Neon we have written means we had filled 10 electron. Now we need more 3 electron. 3s will complete 2 electron. So it is 12 electron. Then turn will come for 3p. So we are having 3px1. Then 3py1, then 3pz1, like that. From nitrogen we have started same way. One electron will fill in 3px1, then 3py1, then 3pz1, then after 3px2, 3py2, 3pz2, 18 electron will complete. So electronic configuration will be 3s2 and 3px1. This is the electronic configuration of aluminium. Now turn will come for silicon. Silicon total 14 electron. We are writing over here neon. It means we have filled 10 electron. 10 electron we have filled. Now 4 electron required, so 3s2, 3px1 and 3py1. Then 10 plus 2 12, 1 13 and 1 14. So this is 3s2, 3px1 and 3py1. Same way we are going for the phosphorus. Phosphorus having 15 electron, we have to fill 15 electron. So we are writing over here neon, we have filled 10 electron, required 5 electrons, so 3s2, 3px1, 3py1 and 3pz1. It is half fill electronic configuration. So stability of phosphorus will be higher than silicon, aluminium, sodium. When half filled electronic configuration will come means x1, y1, z1 having 1 electron, then it is half filled electronic configuration. An element which have half filled electronic configuration having more stability than other. So electronic configuration will what? Then 3s2, 3px1, 3py1 and 3pz1. So it is clear. Half fill electronic configuration, phosphorus having and nitrogen having, so both are the more stable than other element. So remaining 5 electronic configuration we are going to start. Kindly concentrate. Again I am repeating, we have completed yesterday till electronic configuration neon. Electronic configuration of neon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2, it means 2p6. Now sodium having total 11 electron, we have to fill 10 electron like this way, but need not 2 electronic configuration. So like this we can directly write down neon, it means we have filled 10 electron, remaining 1 electron, 3s2 will come, 3s turn will come, so we require only 1 electron, so it is 3s1. Same way magnesium 12 electron, 10 electron filled, 2 electron required, 3s2 completed, 2 electron we have filled. Aluminium 13 electron, neon we have written, it means 10 electron filled, remaining 3 electron, 3s2 turn will come for 3px1. So we have written 3px1 silicon 14 electron, neon 10 electron, completed, required 4 electron, 3s2, 3px1, 3py1. Then after phosphorus, total 15 electron, 10 electron. In neon we have completed 5 electron required, 3s2, 3px1, 3py1, 3pz1, half fill electronic configuration. So again we are taking one short video lecture for sulfur to calcium. Kindly concentrate. I am taking short video lecture because it is easy to upload and you can easily remember short video lecture that will give you confidence. So please kindly attach with me. Thank you very much.